Next up is a case study from JV Driver projects titled Advanced Work Packaging, Lessons Learned from the Front. JV Driver has been using workface planning, advanced work packaging methods, which are maximized by early involvement with the engineering partner, laying out the path of construction, and agreeing to the sequence of engineering deliverables. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome JV Driver's Corporate Project Controls Manager, Miketon.
Well, good morning. What a joy it is to be here. I'm really excited to present to you at this conference. I know that for myself and for my colleagues, we have sure benefited from the body of knowledge produced by CII. At Drivers, our core purpose is to think different and build better, something I'm very excited about and proud to stand before you to talk about today. I think that fits very well with CII and especially with advanced work packaging. When I talk to people around the conference and we sit and we discuss different projects, different ideas, different concepts, different research teams, everybody wants to think different and build better, and I love that. Well, we're here to talk about construction and advanced work packaging. First, I want to introduce myself. Miketon, Corporate Project Controls Manager of JV Driver. I'm responsible for the cost, the progress, the schedule, the progressing, and the planning for the projects that we do at JV Driver. Not just for our core projects, but for our subsidiary companies. So advanced work packaging is very close and near and dear to my heart. Scott Wilson is going to be my partner in crime. We're going to talk about advanced work packaging. He's one of our project managers on one of our mega projects. He's going to make sure that advanced work packaging flows, it's smooth, and that we implement that with excellence and precision. Both Scott and I are from Canada. I don't know how many Canadians we have in the crowd, but it's not the frozen wasteland some of you think. But we do have temperatures ranging from minus 50 to, well, sometimes we reach 30 above, maybe 40 above, but 30 is a pretty hot day for us. So with those extreme temperatures, we have to really ensure that we plan and think about what we're doing. I'm going to tell you a bit more about JV Driver. We believe in safety first. We talk a lot about it. We produce papers on it. But JV Driver, and I think most of you included, find safety at the heart of everything we do. We believe safety comes first. It also flows into our core values of building great things. Typically, we think of building great projects, and that's something that we definitely want to do. But I think when I think about building great things, I also think about building great teams, building great careers, building great people. And again, you can't do that without safety. Take care of each other is our second core value. Taking care of each other means that we look out for each other, we listen to each other, we make sure that everybody gets home safely, and that we think about each other's careers. We don't just think about ourselves. And I think when you do that, you really find a synergy and something great when you are able to promote somebody or you're able to help somebody go along with you. A team win is a fantastic win. Be innovative. That is my favorite one. That's the clincher for me. And again, I think that really goes well with CII and especially advanced work packaging. We think about being innovative. There are so many great ideas and so many different thoughts that people come across every day, from the newest employee to those that have been there for 25 years. We find innovation at every turn and every corner. We have a special program to highlight that and to reward those who are able to bring forth something of value, something real and something tangible. And lastly, having fun. I know that for myself, when I'm working, I get caught up in the day-to-day sometimes, and I'm chugging away, and I'm going after my top three or my wildly important goal, and I'm driving forward, and sometimes we just need to be reminded to have fun. I think as I see the laughs around the tables here and the smiles, I think you get that, and that's something we get at JV Drivers. All the way from our golf tournaments to our Berkey, if you've ever been in that, that's something to go to. They have it in Norway as well as Canada, but it's quite an event. But anyways, having fun is part of what we do. JV Driver started out as a small company 25 years ago in a small little trailer with about 4 guys and 1 welder in our shop. They had a pioneering spirit, a real drive to succeed. They used the latest technology, the best innovation, and the biggest dreams to become who we are today. It's through innovation, hard work, and that entrepreneur spirit that we've grown into the multi-billion-dollar company that we are today as well. We've got multiple fabrication facilities all over North America and field offices from Newfoundland to, of course, Vancouver Island, where we originated, to Nisku in Alberta, to Phoenix in Texas. We work in industries such as oil and gas, energy, mining, and forestry, with all types of trades and disciplines. But enough about JV Driver. Let's talk about advanced work packaging, what we're going to talk about later on today. Advanced work packaging has become such an important topic in today's world and today's fast-track projects. We don't even use the term fast-track anymore because everything is compressed. We're trying to crash schedules and make things happen in a short amount of time, often than less time that's required. Research Team 272-2 has 3 volumes of work on advanced work packaging. I really appreciate this body of knowledge, and if you haven't, you need to check out what they've written and some of their research. As well, Research Team 319, Transforming the Industry. I love that. I don't just want to change what we do at Drivers. We want to change the world in how we do work packaging and project controls in our projects. They're making the case for advanced work packaging as a standard best practice. So, advanced work packaging, we say construction-driven. What I mean by that is that when we take the engineering design and we integrate that into the construction, we build the project twice. We take what we've done on paper, we build it in the office, then we go out with our work packages and we build it out there. Installation work packages have grown from field installation work packages, from COA, and over the industry. Advanced work packaging has become something more than it started out as, and we're still not there yet, but we continue to grow. Work packaging is simply taking a large project, breaking it down into bite-sized chunks into manageable pieces. Ideally, one shift, one discipline, and one crew that can handle that amount of work. It's amazing to see this package and the crew members come in and knowing what they need to do, to have the work faces to do it in, and knowing what that scope of work is. So, advanced work packaging is taking that and integrating quality and safety, integrating the design teams, integrating construction so that it's not just a piece of paper but a living document that everybody has input to, that everybody owns. It's an amazing thing to see. For our presentation, we're going to walk you through the journey of where we began with advanced work packaging, or FIPS, Field Installation Work Packages as we call them, or used to call them, now they're installation work packages. We're going to walk you through where we began with work-face planning, where we started out with the dream that we could actually plan something. I remember when I started in the industry, I wanted to find something that could gather everything together. We talk about integration here. It's so important. We're going to walk you through how we got there, some of the lessons learned, some of the best practices that we have, and share with you some of the ideas and some of the things that worked so that you can experience the same success. Scott's going to walk you through that, and then I'm going to take it from there and talk about where advanced work packaging is going in the future. I'm really excited to talk to you about the integration that we're doing, and I'm a firm believer that we do need to integrate. We need to communicate. We need to work together. We have a whole body of people that are able to produce solutions and exciting results. I'm going to talk to you about integration of tools. We typically think of it in those terms. Bentley Construct Sim, IntelliWave SiteSense, 3D modeling, and then of course the integration of the teams, which is most near and dear to my heart. I think when we put everybody's mind together, we drop the ego and we get things done, we're able to achieve great things. I know this is going to get your attention. We're going to talk about some of the achieved metrics that we were able to see. Reducing time to locate by 10 to 1. Amazing. Hitch to hook. Increased field productivity. Increase in tool time. Who doesn't want that, right? And reduction on turnover time. Through integration of work-face planning, we were able to achieve such great things. So I know I got your attention with that last little bit, and I hope to see you at our implementation session in the Grand Ballroom 1 and 2, where Scott and I can talk to you in detail about this and answer any questions you might have regarding it. Thank you so much.